Woo! You guys did it. Happy last day of class. Today is really just a makeup day for any of you who have not had time to get your assignments turned in, or if you would like to retake one of the quizzes. So final day, this is all going to be us at the pool this weekend, right? So you have until midnight tonight to get everything turned in. All right, if the clock turns to Saturday, I can no longer accept it. So it needs to be in by 11:59 tonight. You'll get one chance to retake or take each of the quizzes. So if on quiz 1 you accidentally submitted it without clicking anything, that's all right. You can take quiz 1 one more time. If on quiz 2 you got like a 7, but you think you want to try for a 10, you can try. If you end up getting worse on quiz 2, it's fine. I'll take your best score. And then on quiz 3, if you didn't do well on that yesterday, again, you can do it today, or if you forgot to do it yesterday, you can do that today. So I will take your best score, so there's no harm in trying. All right, so there are 10 assignments that you should have turned in. All right, make sure you are checking the grade book. You should have no little orange dots in your grade book, and you are good to go. See you guys later.